Hello and welcome to Grassthorpe Lane for a train spotting session. Today we're here for a few trains in particular. 91119 Bounds Green is making an appearance later, as well as two Lumo 803s from Lumo. So yeah, should be quite exciting. Also, it's quite warm but very windy, and that over there, yes, I have got a stick, looks like bad news, so let's hope it isn't, and let's enjoy the spotting session. Hope you enjoy the video, guys, and let's get to it. Right, so the first train we're going to be seeing here today in the now gorgeous sunlight is one of LNER's Azumas on a service from Edinburgh to London King's Cross. And there she comes. Looking quite spectacular in the sunlight there. Never thought I'd say that about Azuma. Right, so here we have the 1A25 service. This is yet another Azuma on a service from Leeds to London King's Cross. There you go. New Year's Eve and it's 16 degrees. Can you believe that? And that's 800-103. Right, so the next train approaching now is a Hull Trains Class 802 Paragon on a service from Hull to London King's Cross, 1A93. Of course, one of the 5-car 802s that's this. Lovely, here we go. I'll tell you what, I do love the livery of those. Right, so here we've got a Lumo 803 on a service from King's Cross to Edinburgh. And that's Britain's first budget rail service that doesn't call anywhere up until Newcastle. And then at that point, it's only got a few stops to go until big old Edinburgh. Crazy, but good. There's Bounds Green Intercity Depot, 91119. My favourite 225 on a service from Leeds to London King's Cross, 1A26. What a beautiful train and what a beautiful tone from the 82 driver. Thank you very much. So here we have another Azuma, this time on a service from Edinburgh to London King's Cross. And then following this shortly should be some sort of Grand Central 180. I must admit, they do look quite nice in the sun, especially when you've got that sort of ambery tint to the yellow. That really adds to it. A bit of an unexpected spot there for the day. That's another one of LNER's 225, Sir Bobby Robson. Great. Right, so here is the Grand Central 180. You can already hear it on a service from Bradford Interchange to London King's Cross, 1A63. Oh, and look, there's another one. And a nice tone there as well. And that one is 180-107 because the number wasn't looked up. And they're always displayed under the coupling, which is quite awkward for us train spotters to see. Right, so here is the other Lumo, this time on a service from Edinburgh to King's Cross. And that is 803004. Right, so here is the final train that we're going to be seeing here today. It's 1D11 and Azuma on a service to Leeds. Thank you for watching our spotting session here today from Grassthorpe Lane level crossing in this basically subtropical weather. It is very warm, to say it's still December, New Year's Eve. So before the video rolls out, I would like to wish you all a very, very happy New Year. And by the time I upload this, it probably will be the New Year. So yeah, hope you enjoy your January, everybody, and I'll see you next time. Bye.